Today I'm going to install this Dongar Technologies dash cam power adapter in the mirror of a 2021 Ford Bronco. In the kit you get a 16-pin connector for Ford vehicles with the auto dimming mirror. Inside you'll find the connector, which has a USB port that your dash cam is going to plug into, and then your connector is going to plug into the mirror, and the mirror is going to plug into the front of the connector. And alongside that you have two different USB connectors for different types of dash cam. To remove the connector on the back of the mirror, you push up on this little tab here and then just pull it out. You then add the connector to the back of the new harness and plug that connector into the back of the mirror till it clicks. Before you permanently install your dash cam, you just want to double check that your power is working. So just plug it into the USB port. There you go. If you're happy with where you want to install the dash cam, peel off the backing to your sticky pad. Down. So there you have it, a nice, tidy, quick and easy install with the Dongar Technologies mirror power adapter for a 2021 Ford Bronco. Hopefully this video helped you out. Give us a like, maybe subscribe. Till next time.